Thanks to the secondary market's recovery, the primary market in India appears to be picking up steam again after a lagging behind in IPO activity during the first half of the current financial year. DCX System IPO opened on October 31st, followed by two more exciting IPOs in this week. In this video, we will be covering the following topics for both the IPOs: company details, GMP, and IPO timeline. For financial information, please check out the detailed blog for each of the two IPOs. Use the link in the given description below. First, we look at the Bikaji Foods International Limited IPO. It is one of India's largest fast-moving consumer goods FMCG firm. IPO will open for the public subscription this week on November 3rd, 2022. The company is the largest manufacturer of Bikaji Bhujia with an annual production of 29,380 tons and were the second largest manufacturer of homemade papads with an annual production capacity of 9,000 tons in the financial year 2022. In the 6 months that ended June 30, 2022, the company sold more than 300 products under the Bikaji brand. The company has over the years established market leadership in the core states of Rajasthan, Assam and Bihar with an extensive reach. Objects of the issue: the selling shareholders will be entitled to entire proceeds of the offer after deducting the offer expenses and relevant tax thereon. The company will not receive any proceeds from the offer. As per the market observers, Bikaji Foods IPO GMP is Rs 81 as on November 1st, 2022, which is price-worthy as there are still 2 full days left for opening the public issue. They said that such a high premium in grey market can be attributed to the bullish sentiments on Dalal Street as the secondary market has been closing higher for last 3 successive days. IPO timeline: the public issue worth Rs 881.22 crore is going to hit primary markets on 3rd of November 2022 and it will remain open for subscription till 7th November 2022. The promoters of the company has fixed Bikaji's Food IPO price band at Rs 285 to Rs 300 per equity share and one lot of the IPO will comprise 50 company shares. The finalization of the basis of allotment is likely by November 11 and the initialization of refunds is likely by November 14, 2022. Meanwhile, credit of shares in the Demat account is likely by November 15. The quota for retail investors Bikaji IPO is fixed at 35% of the net offer. The qualified institutional buyers quota is fixed at 50%, while the NII quota is reserved at 15%. What are the interesting parts you liked about Bikaji Foods IPO? Let us know in the comment section below. Now, let's see the second IPO, which is also opening for subscription on November 3rd, 2022. Global Health Limited IPO. It is one of the largest private multi-specialty tertiary care providers operating in the north and east regions of India. Global Health Limited have a network of 4 hospitals currently in operations: Gurgaon, Indore, Ranchi and Lucknow under the Medanta brand. Global Health Limited's hospital in Gurgaon was ranked as the best private hospital in India for 3 consecutive years in 2020, 2021 and 2022 and was the only Indian private hospital to be featured in the list of top 200 global hospitals in 2021 and was featured in the list of top 250 global hospitals in 2022 by Newsweek. Objects of the issue: prepayment of borrowings in full or part of the subsidiaries, general corporate purposes. GMP of Global Health Limited IPO. As per market observers, Global Health shares are available at premium of Rs 33 in the grey market today. IPO timeline: Global Health Limited IPO is main board IPO of 5,761,000 equity shares of the face value of Rs 2, aggregating up to 2,205.57 crores. The issue is priced at Rs 319 to Rs 336 per share. The minimum order quantity is 44 shares. The IPO opens on November 3rd and closes on November 7, 2022. The finalization of the basis of allotment is likely by November 11 and the initialization of refund is likely by November 14, 2022. Meanwhile, credit of the shares in the Demat account is likely by November 15th. The quota for retail investors Global Health IPO is fixed at 35%. The qualified institutional buyers quota is fixed at 50%, while the NII quota is reserved at 15%. For applying any IPO, you should have a Demat cum trading account. Tradeplus provides you a free Demat cum trading account at 0% AMC charges for lifetime. Start investing in IPOs at 0% brokerage fee. You can also apply for any IPO from our Rocket app. Download the Rocket app from Play Store and App Store. You can also check the link in the description below. Like, share this video with your friends and family if you liked it. If I missed out anything important about these two IPOs, post your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you and happy investing.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. The information discussed herein should not be construed as recommendation or investment advice. Brokerage will not exceed the SEBI prescribed limit.